So as in our last videos, we have discussed different question types, listening question types. So in this video, we'll be discussing about short answer type. So learn how to tackle short answer questions on IELTS listening test, right? This type of questions, they are very common. So it's good idea to practice them separately and develop your answering techniques as well. So as you can see that there are different questions on your left hand side. That means, of which city, which skyscraper Neil didn't think? Which year did Neil choose? For how many years the St. Paul's Cathedral was the tallest building in the city? What are the gherkin, the cheese grater and the walkie-talkie? When the building of St. Paul's Cathedral was started? So these type of questions are there in short answer type, and in these questions you have to give direct replies. So as on your right hand side, you can see that I have marked answers with green color, right? Of which city the skyscraper Neil did not think? That means city name you have to tell. So the direct answer will be London. Which year did Neil choose? Now you have to write direct year. That's 1708. For how many years the St. Paul's Cathedral was the tallest building in the city? 300. What are the gherkin, the cheese grater and the walkie-talkie? They are the nicknames. So nicknames is the answer. When the building of St. Paul's Cathedral was started? 1675. So this way you have to give direct answers to short answer type questions, and usually you will get the limit of a number and one word. So let's see this transcript, that why these answers have been there. Rob. Hello, I'm Rob. Welcome to 6 Minute English. I am joined today by Neil. Neil said, hi, there's Rob. Yes, I'm Neil. So Neil said, oh well, probably New York, Shanghai and perhaps Dubai. They are the very tall, thin buildings. Which cities do you think of? Now, Neil is, according to Neil, he is asking. So Rob said, well, London is also the home to a growing number of skyscrapers. So the skyscrapers are the tall building. Now you can see that they have used synonym for that. That means, now you can see that they have used synonym for that. That means, if I can see the synonym, that in my previous question they are saying tall building, right? So tall or the skyscrapers means multi-story buildings. So the tall buildings, one of the example according to Rob is London, right? With nicknames like gherkin and the walkie-talkie and the cheese grater. So they ask that what are they? That means gherkin, the walkie-talkie and the cheese. That means they are the nicknames. So my direct answer was they are the nicknames. Nicknames is the answer. Right? This way we have to see. Let's move forward. Then Neil said we are going to hear the BBC reporter Jonathan Savage. Which adjective does he use to describe the height of St. Paul's, and which word does he use to say that it now seems much smaller than the skyscraper nearby? BBC reporter Jonathan Savage said, this is St. Paul Cathedral in central London. So my question was that how much meter high the St. Paul Cathedral is there, and from how many years it been there, it been established. So the answer is C, like this. It's a modest 101 meters high, but for nearly 300 years it was the tallest building in this city. Means कितना पुराना है ये? 300 years back. That means इतनी पुरानी tallest building है. So उन्होंने पूछा है कि कितनी पुरानी building है सेंट पॉल्स कैथेड्रल लंदन में. So the answer is 300 years. Let's move to next question. Then Rob said, oh yes, of course. For how many years the tallest building in London was St. Paul's Cathedral? But when was it built? Built मतलब बनी कब थी? Was it completed? It complete कब हुई थी? 1508, 1608 or 1708? Means I have to give the direct answer. That means in years. So my direct answer is, Neil said, well, I think that it was 1708. So my direct answer would be 1708. Let's move forward. Last question is, Neil said, well, in that case, you are unlikely to throw up from the top of one of these buildings. Rob said, indeed. Well, back to the ground level to answer today's question. Earlier, I asked you when St. Paul's Cathedral was finished. Was it 1508, 1608 or 1708? Neil said, and I said 1708. उसने बोला, okay, you were right. They actually started building it back in. Now they are asking, पहले उन्होंने पूछा कि कंप्लीट कब हुई थी, अब उन्होंने बोला बिल्डिंग बनानी स्टार्ट कब हुई थी, तो उन्होंने बोला बिल्डिंग इट बैक इन 1675. That means my answer is 1675. Okay. See, as you can see here, 1675. So what you have to do in short answers question type, that means you have to go through before and afterward too with giving the direct answer. तो short answer type में हम क्या करते हैं, जब भी questioning form आती है, अगर वो when पूछ रहे हैं that means वो time पूछ रहे हैं, again वो हमारा prediction रहेगा and you will be telling direct years or direct date or direct place name or direct basically the word they are using. That means for example उन्होंने बोला था कि ये चीजें क्या है, वॉकी टॉकी क्या है, that was the nickname. That means आप short answer types को direct answer देंगे in one word. Before again wrapping up, let's see some tips which are very important to follow short question types. Be focused. That means you have to concentrate a lot when you are hearing this type of questions, as you have to skim the answer and you have to write your particular answer. Check the word limit. Always while giving the direct answer, we have to check the word limit also, because sometimes in direct answers when we are giving short answer type, it may be 2 word limit. So with the article, preposition, you will be giving. For example, I can write London, right? Or I can say a place. That means आप article अगर लिख रहे हो or you are writing the prepositions, they are also considered in word only. Grammar check. Grammatically wrong नहीं होना हमें. So it's always there that when you are giving your final answer, जब आप अपना answer transfer कर रहे हैं, तो see that grammatically it should be correct. Read the sentence structure. It may be in the past form. So please read the question and then give the answer. Give exact answer. Whatever you have listened in the audio, the same word, the same answer you have to give, the same phrase you have to write. Don't alter that your answer anyway. No spelling mistake. Again, if you are doing a spelling mistake, your answer will be considered wrong. So these are the tips that we have to follow for short question types.
इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखने के लिए थैंक यू। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया है तो इसे लाइक और शेयर करें। सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल न भूलें। अगर आपको कोई डाउट है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में उसे लिखें, हम जल्दी ही उसका रिप्लाई दें।